Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So guys, first you have to come this website. You can see this is officially website of Gigabyte www.gigabyte.com, and after that you can see this side right hand side third number, this is search button. So just click it and then enter your model number of your motherboard Z790D and then hit enter. Then you can see click on the product and this is your motherboard. Then click on the support. So select operating system, Windows 10, 11, both installation process same. LAN driver. So Realtek LAN driver, this is size. Just click to download. After that, start downloading. Then click on yes. So double click and this is exe. So you have to double click on that. Then click yes. Now this is extract. It is closed automatically when this is installed.